Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to unbox a Michael Kors bag that I've got lately, and I've got it on sale, which was just now in July, and I also got a coupon code for birthday, as I am Kors VIP, and also red carpet because I got many bags last year. So I've got $50 off coupon, and I've got a bag from Michael Kors, and I want to unbox it now. So it came in this big box right here, and then inside, let's take it out. It came in this huge box, and because I chose the option which you can choose online, that you get package and box. I take it now out. As it might also come with this, ta-da! So here is the bag. It's Michael Kors Evie. The package looks so. So here is the Michael Kors Evie. It's in black. It has two pockets in front, which are, you can remove it. So this is how it looks like. It's made from leather, and here it has the strap. Then it's unzipped, which goes smooth, and inside it comes with dust bag, paper, and inside it's a big hole. As you can see, big hole. It's really spacious inside, I would say, and it has one zipper pocket right here. Here, and here it comes with Michael Kors booklet, and the model is called Michael Kors Evie. It's on sale right now. Also comes with few colors, which is like beige, white, and green. It also has two slip pockets right here under the zipper pocket, as you can see. Here it has Michael Kors tag, and on the other side, I forgot to mention, it has also key fob, which is untouched. I mean undetachable. You can detach it, and you can put your key here, which is convenient. I forgot to mention that this bag has the gold hardware, and also on the other side you have also three slip pockets, and then under them you have also some smaller slip pockets, and you can slide here some cards or something. And this bag comes with different lining, which is newer, as my older bags have different lining. So there's a tag here which says my good course and some number. It says made in Indonesia. Oh, it looks like so. And when you unpack it from the paper stuff, then you can see that it's more slouchy or maybe like hobo. So it's getting like, it's more like this. Like, it's getting more slouchy. It can slouch like this and this. And it's nice. It smells nice with leather. And it doesn't come with a long strap, but actually I have black strap from another Michael course which I used last year, so I could attach it, and then I will have the option to wear it like this. So yeah, so you can wear it like so. So it looks like so. You can wear it like so, or like so, but it's more slouchy. Or you can wear it crossbody, that's what I meant. But you need longer strap, and then it will be like so. So I don't know if Crocs match the Michael Kors bag, but maybe. You can also wear this bag like on the crook of your arm, like this. Or you can wear it like this, but I think it's not, it's too long, I guess. So you can wear it like on shoulder, or now I attach some different belt, but I have black one too, but now I don't have time to find it, so I showing you how it would look. And this one is too long, as it's not have enough of hooks, but if it would be like so, which I think is other one, then this bag can be crossover. Actually it's big, then it can be worn like crossbody, like little higher, like this, or can be worn like so. But with different strap. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye!